Welcome, everyone, to this YouTube channel where short videos are the key to generating a significant income. The channel has managed to amass millions of views solely through its shorts. The process of creating these shorts is not rocket science. In fact, I have personally produced 200 shorts in just 20 minutes. You too can earn millions through this channel by following the same approach. To understand how to create engaging shorts and get insights into new YouTube ideas, make sure to watch the entire video until the end and subscribe to our channel. Before we proceed with creating the facts video, we will need ChatGPT's assistance. After opening ChatGPT, the provided prompt can be copied from the description and pasted here. You can then customize the facts according to your needs. Once that is done, ChatGPT will provide us with the facts in the designated column. Now, let's move on to Canva for the visual aspect. Upon opening Canva, click on Create a Design located on the right side. Here, search for Mobile Video since we are making shorts. Set the video size to 10 seconds, and then choose a suitable template from the available options. Remove the pre-existing text and add our new text, Boys vs. Girls Facts, in the desired font, color, and effects that match your theme. Now, create two text boxes and copy-paste the relevant facts for boys and girls in each box. Customize the size, colors, effects, and fonts according to your theme. For demonstration purposes, I'm suggesting a color scheme, but feel free to customize it to your liking. Next, we need to set the timing for the texts. Right-click on the boys' facts, select Show Timing, and set it to appear for the first 5 seconds. Similarly, do the same for the girls' facts, starting after 5 seconds from the beginning. Now, go to the Element tab, search for suitable nature or relaxing sounds that align with your theme, and add it to the video. Ensure the music volume is appropriately adjusted so as not to irritate the viewers. Next, go to the Bulk Create option in the left corner, then click on Enter Data Manually, and select Clear Table to remove the existing data. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy all the facts, and paste them into Canva, starting from the initial T, click on Done, and then connect the facts to the respective text elements by right-clicking on a fact, choosing Connect Data, and selecting either the boys or girls text. Repeat this process for all the facts until you see the Generate Pages option. Click on it, and all your videos will be ready in a new tab. In Canva's Elements tab, search for relevant visuals like nature and apply filters, such as vertical orientation, to each video. Feel free to change the template for each video to make them unique and match your theme. Once you are satisfied with the videos, download them by clicking on the Share button and selecting Download. You can either download all the videos separately or choose to download the entire package as one long video. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create 100 to 200 videos in just 10 to 20 minutes and generate millions of dollars. Start your YouTube career now. And if you have any questions or face any difficulties, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be here to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive updates on the latest YouTube ideas and tricks. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, goodbye.